My name is Hani Gamal. I've been playing the guitar for the last 23 years. I've been teaching the guitar full-time for the last 10 years. Thank you for purchasing my course. This course is designed to teach you how to play classical guitar. The piece I've played in the introduction, which is Scarborough Fair. If you've been playing the guitar for a while and strumming the chords of this song, you know that it will not sound like Scarborough Fair unless you sing the lyrics. But to play the melody and the chords both at the same time, this is what classical guitar, this is like the finger style guitar, or what the classical guitar techniques can do for you. So if you've never played the guitar before and you want to be able to play like this, so this course is for you. And if you've been playing the guitar for a while now and strumming just few chords, and you want to take your playing level or your skill level to how to play the melody with the chords, so also this course is for you. So I hope you like the material we're going to cover. We're going to cover a lot of material, and we will learn how to read the music notation, the standard music notes, not the tablature. I'm not going to use the tablature in this course, only the standard music notation. But don't worry, we're going to learn it step by step. The other thing is, if you want to follow along with me, you will there's going to be an extra downloadable files in each exercise, or in the first exercise in every section. So you can download these sheets of music or PDF or sometimes MP3s as a backing track. That's all what you need to learn or to know in this video. I thank you again for purchasing my course. I hope you like my setup. This is my first course on guitar. I hope you like my accent. I'm from Egypt, and English is my second language. I hope you like my setup, the lighting, the quality and everything. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.